Today we will discuss the last section of this chapter, issues of equality in other democracies. We are probably wondering whether India is the only democratic country in which there is inequality and the struggle for equality continues. And this struggle for equality continues exists, but you will be astonished to know that the struggle for equality exists in other countries as well. Recently, in United States of America, you must have read in the newspapers that a black man was shooted, and there and in return in Atlanta states, that a black man was shooted and by a white man, and all these black men ransacked all the shopping malls, shops, and stole the items. So there was then chaos in the Atlanta city. The truth is that many democratic countries around the world, the issues of equality continues to be a key issue around which communities struggle. So for example, in United States of America, the African Americans whose ancestors are the slaves who were brought over from Africa continue to describe their lives today as largely unequal. This despite the fact that there was a movement in the late 1950s to push for equal rights for African Americans. Prior to this, African Americans were treated extremely unequally in the United States and denied equality through the law. For example, when traveling by bus, they had either to sit at the back of the bus or get up from their seats whenever the white person wishes to sit. Rose Parks Rosa Parks, was an African American woman tried from a long day at work. She refused to give up her seat on a bus to a white man on December 1955. Her refusal for that day started a huge agitation against the unequal ways in which African and Americans were. This is the image where this is the Rosa Parks, okay, treated, in which there came to be known as civil rights movement. The Civil Rights Acts of 1964 prohibited discrimination on the basis of race, religion, and national origin. It also stated that all schools would be open to African American children and they would no longer have to attend separate school specially set up for them. However, despite this, a majority of African Americans continue to be among the poorest in the country. Most African American children can only afford to attend government schools which have that fewer facilities and poorly qualified teachers as compared to white students who either go to private schools or live in areas where government schools are highly rated as private schools. Then there is a challenge to the democracy. No country can be described as being completely democratic. There are always communities and individuals trying to expand the idea of democracy and push for a greater recognition of equality on existing as well as new issues. Central to this is the struggle for the recognition of all persons as equal, as for their dignity to be maintained. In this chapter, we have read that how the issues of equality affects various aspects of our daily lives in democratic India, and and the equality of all persons as well as the dignity are upheld at all the times in all the places. So regarding the question answers, please go through this chapter very thoroughly. I will send this question, if please first of all attempt how to write the question. If possible, then I will send you the writing of this question answers. Thank you. Namah Shivaya.